Early detection of cancer can save millions of lives, but it is very difficult to find it early when it's often hidden deep within the body. So, how can we do that? Yes, you guessed it. That is exactly what we want to show you in this video. Welcome to Vitality Lab TV, the ultimate destination for those who want to live a healthy life and keep track of their fitness. Today, we are going to explore a promising blood cancer test that can detect more than 50 types of cancer. Imagine a future where a simple drop of blood can reveal the silent whispers of a malignancy deep within. No intrusive procedures. No agonizing wait times. Just a revolution in how we detect cancer. Malignancies can silently grow deep within our bodies, and it is often hidden from the prying eyes of imaging devices. Even many of these don't show signs until they're alarmingly advanced. That's why early detection is a very challenging feat. But let's take a detour for a moment to a field seemingly unrelated: fetal genetic testing. Do you know what the golden key is? It is cell-free DNA in the blood plasma that unlocks the potential of cancer detection. You see, our bloodstream has traces of cell-free DNA. Fragments are believed to come mostly from cells that have died a natural death. Yet, back in 1948, French researchers noticed its presence in lupus patients. Science has revealed that elevated cell-free DNA is no mere bystander. It is a common thread linking autoimmune diseases, infections, and cancer. Then, in the late 1990s, the game changed. With advancements in DNA sequencing, the revelation was profound. Cancer patients' cell-free DNA has the same genetic changes as tumor cells. This means that it can detect cancer, identify its type, and track how it responds to treatment. What exciting news! Thanks to our new understanding of cell-free DNA, we are on the verge of a revolutionary diagnostic test. A blood test that isn't just about detecting cancer, but promises to identify over 50 types of it. No longer will cancers remain hidden and undetected until it's too late. We stand at the doorway of an era where early detection could be as simple as drawing a small vial of blood. It's a seismic shift in our fight against cancer. As we explore new ways to detect cancer in blood, we've made a surprising discovery. What if the key to detecting cancer is actually connected to the miracle of life? Let's dive into the unexpected connections between unborn babies and silent cancers. Our story takes a detour to the late 80s and 90s, when scientists were unraveling the mystery of fetal cell-free DNA in pregnant women's blood. In 1989, an astonishing discovery was made. Fetal cells existed within the circulatory systems of both mother and father. Fast forward a bit, and in 1997, The Lancet, a weekly peer-reviewed general medical journal, published a breakthrough. The elusive Y chromosome, typically absent in women, was found in the blood of many pregnant women. The only logical source is the unborn baby. This landmark revelation signaled the dawn of a new era in prenatal diagnostics. Experts found that a fascinating 3 to 15% of cell-free DNA in a healthy pregnant woman's bloodstream originates from the fetus. But here it gets even more intriguing. With both the father and fetus possessing 46 chromosomes, any deviation would stick out. Chromosome abnormalities can cause problems for babies. Think of conditions like Down syndrome, which results from an extra chromosome. By 2011, parents could undergo tests for such chromosomal surplus conditions. These tests, known as NIPTs, or non-invasive prenatal tests, were primarily used for screening during pregnancy. While not definitive, they boasted over 90% accuracy in identifying fetal trisomies. But then, a curious case in 2013 swung the spotlight back to our main topic: cancer detection. A 37-year-old pregnant woman was suspected of carrying a baby with trisomies of chromosomes 13 and 18 due to NIPT results. Yet further tests cleared the fetus of any anomalies, but after experiencing pain post-delivery, she was diagnosed with vaginal cancer. This raised eyebrows. Could aneuploidies, a genetic disorder where the total number of chromosomes doesn't equal 46, detected in NIPTs, also hint at potential cancerous growth in the parent? This unexpected discovery shows that we can detect cancer's genetic signature in prenatal tests that were originally designed for other purposes. It's a powerful testament to the interconnectedness of life and science. Our ongoing research in one domain can serendipitously pave the way for revolutionary advances in another. In this case, a prenatal test might be a beacon of hope for earlier and more accurate cancer detection. We are on the verge of a medical breakthrough that promises to merge the miracles of birth and life-saving cancer detection. The future? It's incredibly bright and full of promise. What if the key to early cancer detection lies not just in advanced machinery or deep tissue biopsies, but rather in a simple prenatal test designed for an entirely different purpose? Let's explore the profound link between pregnancy and preemptive cancer detection. Just one more thing I would like to remind you of is that we love sharing our passion for health and fitness with others. If you're interested in learning more, subscribe to our channel and join our community. Okay, now let's get into the topic. In 2015, a study stood out as a beacon of possibility. Thousands of expectant mothers undergoing routine NIPT were given an extra option: a more comprehensive cell-free DNA test. This time, it wasn't just the usual suspects, like chromosomes 13 and 21 under the microscope, but DNA fragments from across the genome. The result was astonishing. Out of 4,000 women, 3 showed anomalies that led to the early detection of cancer, even before they showed any symptoms. Imagine a simple test that could give everyone a sneak peek into cancer's secrets before it fully shows up. Cell-free DNA testing could be our game changer, spotting early signs and even hinting at the best treatments. Not just for expecting moms, but for all of us. A brighter, clearer future in cancer care. It's on the horizon. But the road to its widespread application isn't without challenges. Do you want to know what the key challenges are? It is perfecting the isolation of DNA from other blood constituents. Why are cell-free DNA levels high? We're digging deep to find out. The findings? Simply astonishing. Forget complex procedures. Soon a simple blood test might tell all. Cancer's mysteries are unlocked with just a drop. Cell-free DNA is shaping up to be an unsung hero in the relentless battle against cancer. This marvel is yet another testament to the ever-evolving genius of scientific exploration. You've seen the Avengers assemble, but you haven't seen the superheroes of science come together for a mission as grand as this one. Let me introduce the Simplify. The Simplify study is one of the UK-based clinical trials that GRAIL, an American biotechnology company in Menlo Park, California, is supporting, along with the NHS Gallery trial, the National Health Service of the UK. It is the GRAIL, the NHS, and Oxford University's best minds harmonizing. Unlike other collaborations, it's a crusade with a shared dream. It may detect cancer's secrets before they can even whisper. GRAIL lit the torch for this ambitious voyage. But soon, the NHS in England and Wales and the NIHR, the British National Institute for Health and Care Research, added their shimmering support. In the meantime, Oxford University's geniuses transformed raw data into decipherable insights. Let's zoom out a bit. The NIHR Oxford Biomedical Research Centre funded the project and became its backbone. Spearheading participant recruitment from an astounding 43 UK locations, the momentum was undeniable. And Professor Helen McShane? She's a British infectious disease physician and a professor of vaccinology at the Jenner Institute at the University of Oxford. She advocates for academia and industry to unite forces in the fight against cancer. Yet, at the heart of all this are all the silent heroes. Oxford University's relentless researchers live every moment amidst the excitement of breakthroughs. They're the architects, drafting a world where early cancer detection isn't a dream, but a daily reality. And the pinnacle of it all? Besides spotting cancer earlier, Simplify is paving the way for the future of medical research. It has merged digital technology with the vast resources of the NIHR Clinical Research Network. This venture screams one thing: groundbreaking studies can be efficient, effective, and cheap. So, are we on the brink of a revolution where a simple blood test can reveal over 50 types of cancer? Is Gallery the golden ticket we've been waiting for? Share your thoughts below. Who knew that our very blood might hold the secrets to a healthier future? Now, are you ready to pump up that knowledge even further? Dive into our treasure trove of health and fitness videos and see what other mind-bending facts your body has been hiding from you. Don't just stay curious, get active about it.